Hello pals, welcome to another TS Tech Talks tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick video on how to accept a friend request or block a friend or decline a friend request on your Facebook app. So all you need to do is to go ahead and open your Facebook application and do login if you are not logged in yet. So you can notice on the top area after the picture image there is two icons sitting close to each other before the circled one, so go ahead and click on that. So this area is going to show you how many friend requests you have, so you can go ahead and accept some or decline some. So if you want to accept a friend request, just go ahead and click on confirm. But if you do delete the friend request anyway, that means you actually removed that friend request. And if you remove the friend request, you can still go back to the person and you can add the person as a friend as sending the person the friend request. So this is just how to add or accept a friend request. So you can go ahead and click on more and you can notice that it says you are now friends. So that's how to add a friend request, which is very easy to do, which most of you already know how to do that. Please like and support the video for more. Thank you.